Welcome back, everyone. I'm your host, Adrian Hernandez, and today I'm sharing with you guys a real estate investment deal. So it was actually a flip deal that we had in the city of San Diego. Now, I'm not here to share with you the positive numbers on how we crushed it on this deal. If anything, I'm here to share with you how we lost $45,000 off of this property right here. You guys, we didn't earn anything. We lost $45,000. So I'm not here to share with you all a bunch of positive messages. I'm here to give you the truth. I'm here to share a real life, real example on how you can lose money when you get into real estate investing unless you pay attention to certain things. And today we're talking about real estate timing. So get a piece of paper, get a pen. You're gonna wanna take some notes and get ready, guys. You ready? Let's go. You guys there? All right, let's go. Hey guys, so we're back here in San Diego, and I want to share with you, this is a property that we sold over a year and a half ago. Now, it's this property here, and we are on the upper class of San Diego, but we went wrong on this property, guys. You see, we picked this up at $600,000 for a purchase, and we ended up losing $45,000 by the time we sold the property. Now, I want to explain to you what happened. You see, there's a thing called market timing, right? I'm sure you all know there are certain times to sell property, and then there are certain times where the market flattens. And what happened was that we went into contract on this home, and the rehab, unfortunately, took twice as long. So instead of the rehab only being 6 weeks, the rehab was actually 18 weeks. Long story short, but we ended up having to get 3 different contractors on this property. Now, this is what happened. By the time we went onto the market, we went on in Q4 of the year. Now, what happens in Q4? These are the last 3 months of the year. You have Christmas, you have holidays. Well, we didn't take into account the holding time that this property was going to require. You see, we ended up holding it 5 extra months, which means that's 5 extra payments that we didn't account for. Those 5 extra payments ended up equaling $45,000 of lost money that we could have earned if we just looked at the market correctly, if we just bought correctly. So I understood this, and you guys all hear this. I finally experienced this. You don't make money when you sell it. You make money on the investment when you buy it. It's how you buy it that means everything. So when you buy it is probably one of the most important aspects. How much you buy it for is another very important aspect. You guys, we didn't take into consideration the market time, so we ended up losing $45,000. So don't make the same mistake. Do me a favor, look at your market trends, look at the market timing. In Q4 of Southern California, it comes down a little bit. The properties aren't selling as fast. Where certain parts like Arizona or different parts of the state, perhaps that market is on fire at that time. Different market timing. You need to know your market timing before you get into a real estate investment deal like this and lose money like we did. Okay, so very important. So you guys watch your market timing and make sure that the timing is correct and you understand your holding cost. What's your holding cost? That's the holding cost. You get a loan for a property, a $600,000 loan. You need to make payments on that loan every single month. There's a holding cost that's going to play a role in your flip property. So make sure in your flip deal, so make sure that you account for it, okay? Make sure your numbers are accurate and make sure you know what time of the market you're coming into. Make sure you understand your holding cost. Thankfully, this was over a year and a half ago, so it's far beyond us. What we can do is we can just look at the learning lesson and share that with you. So I hope you guys got something out of this. Share this with everybody you know, and don't forget, hit that subscribe button. Thank you all so much for tuning in. Take care.